talk about how Restoring Heroes came to be.
So about 8 years ago, there was an entrepreneur in Boston named John Gieselman, and John had been a retired Marine, and there was a burn victim that was his neighbor, and he had called his dermatologist in Boston and said, look, we really need to do something for the Marines. They're losing their arms and legs to the IEDs in Afghanistan and Iraq, and they're not getting cutting-edge health care, because that's what you need with these horrible injuries. We've never seen injuries like this in any war. So his dermatologist contacted myself and then Nathan Ubelhauer, who is an active military doctor, and he called us into Boston and he said, look, I'm gonna form this foundation. We're gonna get the best doctors in the country that specialize in high trauma and trauma reconstruction. And he had a whole plan, and we met in Boston like 10 times with about 30 doctors, and then he died.
Oh,
and
goodness.
He died suddenly and on his deathbed, and Washington's involved. We've got Senator Isaacson, who's the head of the Veterans Affairs. We've been working with Tom Bowman in Washington, D.C. And Tom actually went to John's house the weekend before he died, and on his deathbed he said, I need you guys to do this foundation. So from there, Carol Novak, who is a Floridian, lives in Boca and has been in Miami. She's sort of been the acting CEO, and we have to give a big thank you to Baptist. Baptist has taken this network for Restoring Heroes, and Miami's been the first city to pilot this, and we're going to take it then to Boston and Mass General, and then we're going to take it out to California, and we're going to have 3 sites in the country, but we've been the first to start this, and Baptist has given generously their resources, their OR, their labs, their imaging for free.